I'll be showing you how you can add members on the website. So there are members who have created an account on the website and you want to connect with them so you can get updates about what they are posting about, what they are which post they are interacting with, or you just want to follow them. You can easily do that by coming to the members section. Click on the members, and then it's going to load up the members of the community, and then you will see those who have registered, and you can click on follow. When you click on follow, they will get a notification that you are following them, and when you click on connect, they will get a request that you want to connect with them. So once they approve the request, you will be able to connect with them. But then if they don't approve the request, you won't be able to connect with them. So basically that is how you can follow and connect with people on the website. See you on the next one.